If you want to listen the high quality and the clear sound in your cell phone, to try these settings, you will love it. So just go into the setting, sound and vibration, and go a little down, you'll see the sound quality and effects. So after this, if you turn on this Dolby Atmos, it will bring you to the next level sound quality, and you can make changes in it, auto, and you can move movie, voice, and all other. So if you play games, you can just turn on this one. So in the gaming, you'll love that sound. So if this Bixby button bothers you, let's say just keep pressing itself, or it will bring you to the every time on the Bixby side. So you can easily change in the settings and make it to the power off menu. All you need to do is go into the settings, drop it, go down. You need to go to advanced feature, click on it, and it says the side key. So just hit on this. It will give you these couple of options. So if you look at this, press and hold, it wake Bixby, but just click on this one to the power menu. For after this, when you press and hold, it will bring you to this power, and you can recycle and everything. So it will not bother you anymore. If you want to take a screenshot, you need to press power button and volume down at once, and it will take your screenshot. This is the one method, but I have the other method too. When you go into the settings, same advanced feature, so motion and gesture, and you'll select this one, the palm swipe to the capture. So when you just go this way, it will take your screenshot. When you go, you can categorize your all application into the different folders, but you can also do more customization in these folders. So let's say this one, you can just rename that thing if you want. So let's put the campus tag, and after this you can just change the color according to your requirement or your desire. Let's make it green. So look at this, the campus color is green. So this is a Google, let's make it blue, and this one make yellow. So look at this. So you can just do these things to make so your phone looks good more. You can just change colors accordingly. Like that video, like and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.